So wait, let me turn this light off. How you turn this shit off? Alright, so now I'm gonna turn shit back on. It's hold up. Let me get my phone out. My shit at. Alright. I know how niggas be snitching, so I'm not gonna show my face on this camera. Alright? This is not Watson Ave poplive from thehoodup.com, okay? I am not that guy, okay? I'm just a normal guy. My name is Fred. I'm out here. I'm looking for my dog, alright? Alright, now, let me show y'all what time it is. Exactly what time it is. I don't know if y'all can see that. Wait. Okay. It's... Shit, why does shit keep going off? How you get it there? Alright, I don't know if y'all can see that. Damn, shit. Damn, wow. Alright, I don't know if I can see. Did I say, shit, keep going up. It's 11:06. I don't know if I can see the date. Just make it clear a little bit. Or if I move it over like that. October 27th, Thursday. Shit going out. Thursday. 11:06. Okay. Alright, now that we got that out the way. What time is it? Where we at? Shit, can't even see the fucking sign clear. Oh. Paisley Boulevard. Alright. Where's another sign at? Matter of fact, I'm across the street. You can see where I'm at. Merrick Boulevard. Okay, that same Merrick. That's the bakery sign. So look at the park. Something funny going on with the camera, but whatever. Alright. So I just walk right through the middle of the park. Damn, wish this light was brighter. And you can see it's type dark. But okay. Whoop. Yep. Shit's mad dark. Oh, here's some light. And then y'all from Queens who know, I'm at Roy Wilkins Park right now. So y'all already know. Look at everything from that side. Inside. Let me time check, make sure I'm not late for this alleged, you know, ass kicking or whatever the case may be. What time is it? Now it's, I don't know if you can see that. It's 11:09. So now, just looking. I hate fucking stupid ass phone. Yeah, 11 to 9. It's dark, niggas can't really see, so there's no point in me walking through this whole fucking park. But at least y'all can hear what the fuck is going on. Walking through a dark ass park. I see me just walk through that side of the park. Then I'm walk to the other area. Go through the whole park. So niggas know. That's why I'm talking through this whole shit. So, cause it's dark as fuck out here. In any event, this camera's bright as hell, and my phone is bright as hell. So, we're gonna see if we can find my lost dog, Floozy. Now, once again, this is not watsonave poplive from thehoodup.com. I'm just Fred looking for my dog. Okay, in the back park. Alright. One back here. Yep, is he in there? No Floozy in there. Nope. No Floozy in there. Under the slide and all that. Oh, damn it. So, what's up here? Call up the bench. What's up this bench? What's up that bench? That bench. This bench. Oh. Got the youth, shit for the kids. Skateboarding, I guess. Oh, yeah. Little birdhouse. Water fountain. Alright, walking through the basketball courts now. Shit, I really wish I had some high-tech fucking camera, but fuck it. So, walk through the back. Walking through the back. Don't see a nigga over there. See nobody over there. See nobody over there. So now we're going to the parking lot. Let me put this camera down before niggas think I'm the boys. I'll be kind of smooth with it. Oh, that might be him over here in his car. It's not gonna be him. Let me see how well this shit's doing. Some good on battery, good. I'm walking out the back of the park. See, walking out the parking lot. Oh, shit. Smelling this. Walking up. So, just walking. Shit. Oh. See what time it is. Wish this should stay on longer. It's 11:14. Still October 27th. Thursday. Could have swore I said Thursday, or maybe not. Maybe Maybe I said the wrong day. I don't know. Just so everybody's sure. Can't really see. Oh, now you can see it. Roy Wilkins Park. I'm going. She's walking his dog. So. Across the street to the money market. I think the battery kind of dying a little bit, but fuck it. What's this on? Damn, it don't sound nothing. Hold up. Let me get back over. Damn, it's going down this way. Can't really see it, but I'm on Baisley.